Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat fish oil tablet easy method. Start by checking the tablet size and label for milligrams of EPA and DHA, then prepare a full glass of water and a small snack to help swallowing. Tilt your head slightly forward, place the tablet toward the back of your tongue, and swallow with a firm gulp of water. If needed, break the routine into one tablet at a time. Hold the tablet near the back of your tongue, but not so far it triggers gagging, and take a steady breath first. Bring a full glass of water to your lips, tilt your head slightly forward, and swallow firmly in one motion while keeping relaxed. If the tablet feels stuck, take another swallow or try a soft snack like yogurt immediately after to carry it down. Repeat until comfortable with the step. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for fish meals and storing supplements. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and stay organized. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If swallowing remains difficult, consider liquid fish oil or smaller gel caps as an alternative that still delivers the benefits. Always confirm safety before splitting tablets, and take fish oil with a meal to reduce aftertaste and improve absorption. Keep a small snack or yogurt nearby in case you need help moving a capsule down, and practice the tilt and swallow method until it feels natural and quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.